है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भरे मन की भोली सी आशा. Hi guys, welcome to ukeguide. In this lesson we're covering a song request and I'll be teaching you the very melodious song from A.R Rahman, Dil Hai Chhota Sa from the movie Roja. So if you're excited to learn this song, take out your uke and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 5 chords and these chords are chord C, chord A minor, chord F, chord B flat and chord G. Now to play chord C, you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord A minor, you need to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord A minor will sound like this. To play chord F, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord F will sound like this. To play chord B flat, you need to bar 1st fret with your index finger like this and then you have to place your middle finger on 2nd fret 3rd string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 4th string and chord B flat will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and chord G will sound like this. So guys, this song has a pretty tricky strumming pattern and I would recommend you that you pay special attention in this part. So the basic strumming pattern what we will use in this song is down down up down up, down down up down up, down down up down up, down down up down up. So down down up is the basic pattern. However, when we'll use this pattern in the song, it will sound a little bit different. Okay, so now let me quickly play this pattern for you. Okay, so you can see that we are playing 2 downstrokes like, okay, so we are playing it one after another. So down down and after that we have to delay for some time and then we have to do upstrokes and then the other 3 strokes will come one after another. Okay, so up down up, so down down little bit delay, then up down up, so down down up down up down down up down up down down up down up down down up down up. So now let's break this song into parts and let me try to explain you each part in detail. Okay, so the song will be starting with chorus and the chorus will sound like this. Okay, so how you can play this? So basically you will be starting with chord C and you will play it like this, down down up down up, then you change to chord G and then you go back to chord C. So you can see that on chord C now we played this pattern 2 times. Okay, so the next part of this song is pre-chorus and pre-chorus will sound like this. Okay, so now let me explain you this part as well. So you will be starting with chord F and you will play this pattern 2 times on chord F. So now you'll switch to chord B flat and you'll play this pattern 2 times on this chord too. Now you go back to chord F again and you'll play this pattern 2 times there. go back to chord C and you'll play. So 4 times downstrokes. So just play downstrokes 4 times and then chord G, a single downstroke. So the next part of this song is verse 1, and in verse 1 we'll be playing this pattern 1 time per chord. So guys, to play this song I will not be using any capo, but in case you sing on a higher scale than me, then you can always place a capo on the fretboard and you can adjust it as per your requirement. So now let's start playing the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा। महक जाऊं मैं आज तो ऐसे, फूल बगिया में महके हूँ जैसे, बादलों की मैं ओढ़ लूं चुनरिया, झूम जाऊं मैं जैसे बावरिया, अपनी चोटी में बांध लूं दुनिया। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा, चांद तारों को छूने की आशा, आसमानों में उड़ने की आशा। दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, मस्ती भर मन की भोली सी आशा।